Fidelity first presents the mortgage process decoded. We pride ourselves on simplifying the mortgage process. When applying for a mortgage, you already have the signed contract of sale, or you already own the home. There is a different process to be pre-approved. If you want more information, go to our YouTube page. We have a short video on the pre-approval process and many other topics I bet you will find interesting. There are many different types of mortgage products. Our loan officer will help you choose the right one. Regardless of the mortgage you apply for, you will need a government-issued ID, signed contract of sale, and a credit report the lender will run. You will need to provide at least 2 months of bank statements to show you have enough money for the down payment and closing costs. All large deposits will need to be explained. The lender wants to make sure you are not borrowing any of the money for the transaction. If applying for a mortgage that requires income documents, you will need to provide 2 years federal tax returns with the W-2s. The last 4 pay stubs for all jobs. If you're self-employed, the last 2 years of corporate returns and a profit and loss statement. This information is used to create the mortgage application, and required disclosures you will need to sign. Some states allow electronic signing of documents. Others require a wet signature. Your application is now ready to be submitted. Some lenders will wait until the appraisal has been received before issuing the official mortgage approval. The appraisal is completed by a licensed appraiser. It compares your home to similar ones that recently sold and what is on the market. The mortgage approval will have some conditions on it. Conditions are additional documents needed before you can close. Conditions can be supporting documents, written explanations, locking the rate, or title insurance. Title report or title insurance is typically ordered by the buyer's attorney. It confirms whom owns the home, shows the liens on the property, and much more. Once all the conditions are cleared, the lender does their final QC, employment is verified again, a closing disclosure is sent. The final cleared to close is issued, and a closing date is set. The closing disclosure will have the total amount of money needed at closing. It is a very important document. Read it and ask questions if you have any. A day before, or the day of closing, you will do the final walkthrough. At the closing, you will sign lots of documents, give the remainder of the down payment, pay the closing costs, and get the keys. If you are refinancing, the funds are disbursed 3 days later. This cooling off period gives you a chance to cancel the deal. From application to closing is about 30 to 45 days. To learn more, call us today, or visit us at www.bestrate1.com.